We are here at Summer Lake Wildlife Refuge, and despite the name, it's actually kind of wintry here today on May 1st. It's very cloudy and it's only about 38 degrees, so pretty cold. However, there are birds everywhere, as you can hear in the background. It's pretty cool. We are doing the 8-mile wildlife viewing loop, which is a driving loop, but we've also decided to get out of the car and hike the windbreak dike and see some birds from the dike.
Oh, look at the outstretched neck. Must be mom or dad.
We stopped in the town of Paisley and got some gas, and we stopped at the ranger station, and they recommended that we drive up Road 33 up along the Chewakin River. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And we stopped here at the Chewakin Crossing Trailhead, where there's a really nice footbridge across the river. The Fremont National Recreation Trail is over 100 miles long, and this is one of the trailheads to access the trail. We're not going to hike it today, but this is good to know for the future. So we've driven to 5 Mile Point out here north of Paisley, and we're going to explore the Paisley Caves. At the ranger station, we learned that one of the caves contains archaeological evidence of the oldest definitively dated human presence in North America. This site was first studied by archaeologists in the 1930s, and they've uncovered evidence of human activity here from 14,000 years ago. Looking out from the caves, this is the old Lake Chewakin, which is now a dry lake bed. It looks like a barren desert now, but back then it was a source of water and it teemed with life, providing game and an idyllic habitat on its shores for the human inhabitants of these caves. So Deb and I have left the hotel room. It's 9:45 and we are out here in the middle of the Summer Lake wildlife area to look at the stars. The moon comes up in about 25 minutes or so, and we can already see its glow on the eastern horizon. And on the western horizon, we can still see a faint bit of light from the setting sun. So we don't have the darkest skies, but we can still see a whole bunch of stars, which is super cool. There's very little light pollution out here. Today is Tuesday and the full moon was on Sunday. And we've had a lot of clouds. So this is our first opportunity and last, since we go home tomorrow, to see stars on this trip.